Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Zenless Zone 0 stuck on a black screen every time you try to run the game. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is, before you start up the game, make sure you're at like the home page or whatever of your desktop. So go ahead and either find Zenless Zone 0 or Hoyo Play. It doesn't really matter, you can do one, either or. So just go to it, right click on the game, go ahead and click on properties. Now from here, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the compatibility tab, and we're going to check two boxes. The first one is going to be compatibility mode, run this program in compatibility mode for whatever the latest Windows is. And the second thing you guys are going to do is click on run this program as an administrator. Now once you do both of those things, go ahead and hit apply and then hit OK, and then go ahead and start the game. Now once the game is started up, you should see the error code gone and you guys should be good to go. The second thing you guys can also do is go to Hoyo Play, click on the settings in the top right, and what you're going to do is you're going to click on check for updates and check for the latest version. Make sure that the game is updated to the latest version, and if it is, you're good to go. And yeah, that should basically be it for the video. That is honestly it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.